many times I call you on the stage, but you say, sir, I don't have confidence, right now, and you say I have hesitations and all. So what do you think on why don't you have confidence, and how can you get the confidence? Do you think about? It's very simple. If you pre-plan, if you pre-plan, if you plan that today I have to go on the stage and I'll speak there, whichever the topic you have been given, whichever the topic you have been given in advance, you must think about, make the notes, write down, and if possible, 2-3 times at the home, do some rehearsal also. Then next day, you be in active mode, yes, I'll go. And then you come and start speaking, you will be confident. Many of the time I say you come here, but you don't come. You said